Good morning, children. Yesterday I told you that I will explain you mole concept. There are lots of things, children, which we have to understand in mole concept. So first, what is mole concept? What is mole actually? So one mole of a substance is mole of a substance is the amount of one mole of a substance is not amount of is the number of particles ऐसा कर दो number of particles or entities one mole of a substance is the number of particles or entities present in that substance which is equal to number of carbon atoms ध्यान से देना number of carbon atoms present in 12 gram of C12 isotope. यानी समझिए कार्बन 12 इज टेकन एज ए रेफरेंस. ओके, इसके 12 ग्राम में जितने एटम्स प्रेजेंट हैं उसके इक्वल में अगर जितने नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स और एंटिटीज प्रेजेंट होते हैं दैट इज नोन एज नंबर ऑफ वन मोल. दैट इज द फिगर इक्विवेलेंट टू वन मोल. सो 12 ग्राम कार्बन में कितने एटम्स कैसे प्रेजेंट हुए कैसे निकाला. एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट आता है दैट इज मास स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर. बाय दैट द एटॉमिक मास वन एटम का मास फाइंड किया गया कार्बन का. फाइन. तो वो फिगर कुछ ऐसा था 1.9968. लेट मी सी लिखा था 1.992648 2648 into 10 raised to power minus 23. So when it was divided, ये क्या है नीचे वाला फिगर. दिस इज द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कार्बन. कौन सा कार्बन? कार्बन का C12 आइसोटोप का. कैसे निकाला? एक एटम का मास, एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट था मास स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर. ओके, when it was divided the figure came to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. This number is known as 1 mole, or it is also denoted by Avogadro number or Na. This is also known as Avogadro number. ठीक है, समझ में आया? यानी कार्बन 12 के कितने एटम थे वो. Next I will show you how to find after mole. What if I talk about, ध्यान से समझना. If I talk about 1 mole hydrogen atom, that means क्या हो जाएगा? Is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 hydrogen atoms. If I talk about 1 mole of H2O molecule, it will be equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of H2O, and like that. So this is about mole. Now I will tell you one interesting formula how to find the number of moles. ठीक है, कैसे फाइंड करोगे बेटा? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स के लिए एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, दैट इज m इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल m अपॉन कैपिटल M. Where what is small m? Small n is equal to number of moles, and what is small m? Mass given. And what is capital M? Molecular mass. ठीक है, अब एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं तो ज़्यादा क्लियर होगा. सो इफ आई एम राइटिंग अ क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द क्वेश्चन 1, फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स in, find the number of moles in suppose करो 1.6 gram methane. CH4 बेटा everybody knows CH4 is methane. ठीक है. तो for that find the number of moles. तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला जाएगा? N is equal to small m upon capital M. Small m यानी mass given. क्या है mass given? 1.6. But molecular mass तो we have not calculated. So let me show you. अभी पिछली क्लास में I had told you how to find the molecular mass. So carbon is 12 plus hydrogen is 1. So 12 into 1. अभी बच्चों की तरह लिख के दिखा रही हूँ. बाद में you have to do by yourself. 1 into 4. Hydrogen atomic mass 1. So it is equal to 16. Right? So here I will write 1.6 divided by 16. डेसिमल हटाओ, 0 यहाँ लाओ. सो 16 10 जा 1 upon 10, that means 0.1 mole. You understood better this question? Small m upon capital M. Next I will give you the question to solve. That is, find the second question. Find the number of moles in suppose करो 4 gram of NaOH या 8 gram of NaOH. 8 gram of NaOH. ठीक है. तो again number of moles, so N is equal to small m upon capital M. Therefore N is equal to what is the small m? 8 gram. What will be capital M? फटाफट बोलो. Na 23. So 23 plus 16, oxygen 16 plus hydrogen 1. So it will be 40. Understood? Na atomic mass 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. So total is 40. So 8 upon 40. Right? Small m upon capital M. 8 1 जा 8, 8 5 जा 40, 1 upon 5 यानी 0.2 moles. Small m 0.2 moles. Understood children? Now next interesting topic I will take, that is molarity. Maybe you have heard about molarity. Molarity is the concentration. When you will come to the lab, when school will be open, we will take you to the lab and there I will explain you what is use of molarity there, what is the concentration there. So here only formula I can show you. So molarity is equal to mass of solute divided by molecular mass multiplied by volume of solution in liter. ये ध्यान रखना, यूनिट शुड बी लीटर. और नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट. ध्यान से देखना, मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट दैट इज स्मॉल m डिवाइडेड बाय कैपिटल M. अभी हमने क्या फाइंड किया? मोल. ओके. सो वी कैन राइट नंबर ऑफ मोल्स डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन in liter. Correct? So number of moles, find. दोनों चीज सेम है. देख लो, ये स्मॉल m अपॉन कैपिटल M, that is number of moles divided of volume of solution in liter. This is the formula for molarity. Now let me solve one question. Find the molarity of a solution if 4 gram NaOH is dissolved in water, make a solution बुक में 250 ग्राम दिया है, make a solution of 250 ml. Later on we will change the data also. Okay, but अभी वही जो बुक में दिया that only I am writing. 4 gram NaOH is dissolved in 250 water, so that the total volume of solution is 250 ml. Correct? तो क्या करेंगे? फॉर्मूला ये वाला यूज करेंगे. So molarity, capital M, molarity is equal to mass of solute 4 gram, 4 molecular mass of NaOH. So उसका ही molecular mass भी find करना है. So what is molecular mass of NaOH? Right now we have calculated. Can I show you again? Should I show you again? Sodium is 23 atom plus oxygen atomic mass is 16 plus hydrogen atomic mass is 1. So it will be 40 U. Okay. So 4 upon 40 multiplied by volume of solution in liter. कितना है volume of solution? 250 ml. So I will write here 250. Most of the time in beginning students do the mistake here. 250 is in ml and what is the formula? Volume of solution in liter. तो 250 ml इक्वल लीटर कन्वर्ट करोगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? 0.250. So what I will write here? ऊपर में 1000 कर दो divided by 1000. ml से लीटर बनाना. I hope everybody knows now. We are in 11th standard. 250 ml is equal to 250 divided by 1000. Now it is liter. So easy to calculate. 250 4 ja 1000 and 4 10 ja 40. So it is 4 upon 10. That is 0.4 molar solution. Is the concentration is 0.4 molar. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss next points.